Good evening, friends. I'm Nalakshi Swami, coming up with a new strategy wherein you can make money in the first hours of trading. This is nothing but a 5 minutes trading strategy. And actually, you might have heard about breakout strategy. So I am utilizing this in this 5-minute trading strategy wherein you can make 90% of the trades you can make profitable. So some will be exceptional. Some days you may not make profit. So in the 5-minute strategy, what I'm going to use is we are going to mark the first 5-minute candle high and low. For that, I've tweaked this Fibonacci in this way. Only 1%, 0.5, and I'm applying this to it. Okay. This is the one. See what happened in the first 5-minute candle that was on 21st. You can see the second 15-minute candle was a rejection candle over here. There was no breakout from this candle. So there was no higher high in this candle. And apart from that, what I'm using is, this is 0.5%. What I'm using is the angle actually. Angle to determine the trend. This is the 45-degree angle I'm going to apply from the pivot of the 5-minute candle. This is the pivot. Pivot means center part of the 5-minute candle. I have located by using Fib tool, and Fib tool by settings you can do that. How I have done, I will show it to you. Let me go to the settings. Let me apply, let me click on this. 1 minute. I'm clicking on this. If you go to the style, I have unchecked all the parameters and I have written only 0, 1 and 0.5. That's it. For my convenience. So I'm dividing it into and making a box over here. So I am choosing the 5-minute high, 1 minute. I have to do like this. 5-minute high and 5-minute low, and it is the pivot point. Pivot is 22,808. So you will not get confused by the trade or anything. So I am applying I'm marking, taking the tool and applying an angle of 45 degrees. Because I want to know that if the price is above according to the Gann fan, if the price is above 45 degree, then it is positive. If the price starts falling below 45 degree, then it becomes negative. So what I'm doing is I'm anchoring the angle at the pivot of the 5-minute candle, that is 22,881, and this angle, 1 minute trend angle, I'm tweaking it to 45 degree. This is a very good strategy. You can make profit in this. So I'm okay. Now I'm anchoring the Gann fan over here. So you will not have any confusion in which trade you need to be. Okay. Here, after applying the Gann fan, I am seeing the weakness. Price started in the 5-minute. There was a rejection. 5 started coming near the 45 degree and started, got rejected from here. So you could have taken a sell call in this, and I'm going to calculate with the help of the high of this candle, 22,920s. I'll calculate my profit targets for that. Okay, square root I'm doing it. Let me clear this. 22,920 20 square root, and then I'm minusing it with 0.618. That is equal to 150.77. I'm adding it, squaring it. So I'm getting, what is 22,773. No, 22,733 is my target. Once I enter into the target, this is my target. 733. And let me mark that. Almost 733. I'm getting the value. So I am entering into the short trade. I am finishing off my trade by 10:20 itself. Within an hour, you are getting the strategy. This is a proven strategy which will make you profitable. You need to follow the rules. Simple thing, you should identify the trend by with the help of Gann fan and the angle I'm identifying the trend with the help of the square root fib adding square root plus fib combination. I'm getting the targets and I'm booking the profits. So when I entered into this trade, this is an example. I am going to show it to you today's trade also. That is 148 points in the trade. Suppose if you have taken any 22,900 put option or anything, around 70 points, 148 means around 70 points you should have made in this trade, put option. Okay, let me go back to the today's trade to show you how the today's trade fared. The market opened and this is the first 5-minute candle. Again, the same thing. I'm anchoring this fib, this one for my pivot identification. The pivot is 22,596 based on the 5-minute high and low. So what I'm doing is, since the price did not go, it started moving down from this year. Even otherwise, you can anchor the fib tool, I mean a Gann fan. Let me do the same procedure to identify. I'm anchoring this 45 degree. Okay. And then I'm putting the Gann fan now from the pivot. You can clearly see price, if I zoom it out, price did not go beyond that at all. See, the second 5-minute candle got rejected from the 50 neutral level, one by one angle, and started moving down. So immediately, what I need to do is, I need to take this as a resistance level, resistance pivot. Remember that. This is the pivot at the top and I'm considering it as, and I'm calculating 22,613 because I've entered the PE, put option. Let me type it, 22,613 square root minus 0.618 is equal to, I am getting 149.75 if I square root is 22,427. But we didn't get that target. We got the target of 20. They have stopped in between the level 22,520. It may be 0.5%, I believe. So let me go and check whether it is 0.5. 22,612 clear. 22,612 square root minus 0.5 is equal to 149.87. I'm getting 22,461. Okay. Let me mark the 22,461. Let it be like that. It has not gone to that level at all. So let me check 0.382. 22,000. What is the 630? Sometimes it will not come to that, but when I get the targets, when the trend is clear, I've entered into the put option. I've taken the put option. Then I'm going to, after seeing the price action on the levels, previous day level, when the usually previous day low level, the market will try to react from that level. So you are going to book your profits. That is common sense. 22,630 square root, and then is equal to, I am minusing by 0.382 is equal to, if I square root, I am getting 22,490. So the market came down to 22,516, little bit near that 0.38. This one it has come. So this is how you can, this was the PE trade. The PE, it started from 101, if I remember. Let me go to the PE. 22,700 PE. Yes, let me go. See, you can see over here in the first candle itself, 101, 101, and it reached the target of 169 in the market. 169 in the market. Okay. So the same procedure you can do for the put option also, whether you want to buy the put option. Okay. So I am anchoring the high and marking the high and low of the first 5-minute candle. Okay. And finding out the pivot. Pivot here. And then actually the price action, when compared to the option and the underlying, there will be slight difference will be there, because of the option premium is not a straightforward thing. It is influenced by the gamma, theta, and so many parameters. Because of that, little bit more decay you can see in the market. It will make lower lows when compared to this one. And see, it has made a lower low. In the underlying, you didn't see this price action in the second 5-minute candle. It was making a lower high, where that is clearly evident. So now I'm going to apply the angle. You follow the same procedure. This is the pivot. Don't confuse. So I'm anchoring above the 117 is the pivot. Okay. And then coordinates, I need to make 45 degree. Okay. So after when I saw the weakness in the underlying, so I am going to take the put option and anchoring it to this target. So when it starts moving above this average, 1/1 angle, that is 45 degree, it is positive. So if you would have taken put option by seeing this 116 by around 1020, you could have made 170 rupees. 117 to 170 minus 170 minus 117 is equal to 53 points. You could have pocketed and multiplied by 75 is equal to, you could have got 3,975 in a first hour of trade. That is enough, traders. 90% of the time, this type of trade works in even in the index as well as in the stocks also. Commodity, you can check because all instruments are the same. They are bound by the Fibonacci principles and the angle. Actually, whenever the angle, the price starts moving above the 45-degree, the movement it will be bullish. And if it is going like this, in this fashion, is 75-degree, 85-degree, then the momentum will be very much high. So it is dependent upon the tan angle slope. The price increase will be very much. So you can see gamma type of movement in any option also. Okay, this is how the PE fetched money. Later it came down. It is a breakout. This is a breakout strategy. Second time entry you got there. Breakout and then retesting these levels. Retesting the which level? This is 2 by 1, 3 by 1 angle. And started again, it started moving higher, double top it made and it came down. Now at present, it is the closing of the market, 3 p.m. The underlying, let me go to the Nifty index, we'll check what it is doing. Indices is here. It is choppy and it has come to the place where it has started. Suppose if I anchor the 45-degree like this, angle, 45-degree angle, and placing my Gann fan to know how it is. See, after you can see clearly here around 12 o'clock, 12:15, the market started reversing, climbed, reversal came from here, and the call option 22,000, which call option that is 450 call option, from 84 it rallied to 103. So you could have captured this move also in the market. So finally, we were calculating, I was explaining how to calculate the square root and all that. And finally, I tried to help you people by finding an indicator which can help you automatically calculate the fib levels. You need not manually calculate and break your head, and it is anchoring to the opening price or the middle point. How it is calculated, I don't know. It is plotting the pivot point, and it is plotting the levels above the pivot point and levels below the pivot point, and it is giving you the calculations for you. You need not break your head. That indicator, I am going to show it to you. You need to go to the indicator section. You need to type fib. If you type the fib, this indicator, Fibonacci extension, bar retracement, and pivot points. This is by DGTrade. So we must thank this person. We must thank this person who has provided this beautiful indicator, made our trade very simple. So you can apply this indicator as a guidance. It is a trade which I took combination with the fib plus Gann. Isn't it beautiful? This is a 5-minute trading strategy. Traders, believe me, you are going to make profit within 1 hour of the trade. You need not break your head. So when you get the trade, jump into the trade. Okay, before closing my video, these are the things. Please go through the video again and again. Don't have confusion. Because if you get confused, you are going to do mistakes. And you can see in the indicator, again, I'm showing it to you. If I zoom it, this is the pivot. PP is the pivot point, and above levels are 0.236, 0.382, and 0.5 and 0.618. And even he has given extension also, fib extension, that is 1.618. Sometimes market will move exorbitantly up and exorbitantly low. For that also, there is calculation from this person. So you need not worry. See, you can see 0.618 level comes to 22,491, 22,000. This is the pivot for that level below this level. So it calculates the pivot for one level below this level. So the level calculated was 22,515. It has calculated the level as 22,515, and the market, you can see, better than our calculation. It took support exactly around this area, 22,516, and a reversal trade was happened in the market here, and two-way trade in today in Nifty you could have gained. See, from here to here, PE trade, from here to here, CE trade. So let me go and check the 22,450 call option for you people to notice. That is 27th February, 22,450 call option. See, you can see from the level of 89, it went up to 84, not 89. I remember this. Let me zoom it out. So the low of this candle was 84.50. Then reversal came into the market. It rallied up to 105. 105, and the first leg, you got the immediate target, 103 rupees. So from 83 to 103, if I anchor this, so you can exactly take the trade, reversal trade. You need to master it. This is mathematics, amazing. So 18 points, or if you would have captured 15 points also in the reversal trade, 15 into 75, you could have made little money, 1,100. So some people, they take 1 or 2 lots. When you get confirmed, you can go for more lots also. Trading with 1 lot is better. Not putting much money is not advisable. And this strategy works for that. Let me go and show it to you in a random stock, any random stock, how it could have done that. Okay, let me click on this. Okay, DV slab, we'll take DV slab, okay. DV slab, this is the 1 minute. Why it is anchoring to, okay, lock price to bar ratio. Oh. This is the first 5-minute candle. That a huge engulfing candle which went up. So you mark even with this type of movement you could have taken. So I'm marking high and low of the candle, and I'm taking the fib tool, fib tool. And what I'm doing is, it is a what? Clearly, it is a breakdown. Breaking below the market structure, break of the structure. Then there is no confusion, but to know where the breakout and retest will happen. We are going to take that type of trade in a 5-minute, this one, break. I'm anchoring 45 degree from this pivot, 5,740. Let me coordinate and let me do it 45. Go to the coordinates. Automatically it will fit into 40. Okay. Now I'm anchoring the Gann fan. Anchoring the Gann fan and the retest, you can see I'm zooming it out, retest failure around the 45 degree, 1 by 1 angle, you could have entered into the PE trade in the trend is clear and you are entering in the market by the breakout retest model and you are safe and your stop loss is very minimal. You are entering into, you are taking the trade with confidence and it is wonderful. This strategy is wonderful. You need to master it. This is a just 5-minute strategy and you are going to finish off your trade within an hour. That's it. Sometimes that is an exceptional case. What the market does will be, it will stay in a small range. It doesn't extend. On that day, you may lose money or better not to enter into the market. Now you see the Fib tool. The Fib is plotting a pivot point as this one. It is little bit late. We are entering early. And below this, it is plotting 0.236 and 0.38. So you got the level as 0.3. From here, if you would have taken it, the 0.382 and 0.618 was the highest point. You can see this is the 0.618 it has plotted. From 0.618, it has started coming down and it has closed. It made a low of 5,581. Suppose if you would have taken a put option, 5,700 or 5,800 put option, let us check whether how it has done here. We need to take only 27th March, next month put option because we cannot go into that. So I'm clicking on the 5,700 put option, 193 rupees. There will not be some liquidity in the market. So you can see it started from 27. It started from the level of 153. So you could have entered around this level because it comes like that. It's a little bit option also, it goes, it will be a little bit different from the underlying. You need to consider that because these things you should have in your mind. Option little bit varies. You should, by observation, constant observation, you will get hold of this. Suppose if you would have entered around 161 or 167, this has rallied to 280. Okay. 280. First target you could have finished off around this also by 940. That is, you are getting 192 from 40 points from this one. Lot size, we need to see what are the lot size of the 1 minute. Let me check. Lot size of DVs. Of DV's laboratory. You are getting 100. So 5,000 rupees you could have easily made within 45 minutes. 45 minutes of trade. Isn't it beautiful? This is a very beautiful strategy. Just try to work on it. You will be definitely profitable. Okay, friends. This is TCS also, another example of the TCS. 1 minute. I'm going to show same thing. So you could have taken a put option. It was, that put option was around 62 rupees. 5,700, 3,700 put option was around 72 rupees. It rallied up to 80 or something. So exactly, even this tool you can apply. You can apply, and this is RSI. Together with the RSI, you can, for your trades, you can monitor this. You need not go for any moving average or any indicators other than that. So you are entering with the help of the angles. You are entering with the help of the fib plus square root strategy, and you are, as a guidance, you are applying RSI for your guidance, what it is going to do. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you very much. Try to practice. This is a very, very profitable strategy. You can make a lot of money in that. Sincerely follow, religiously follow this strategy. It is very beautiful. Thank you very much. Nanakshi Swami signing off.